Dah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Asfarina Barira Salma. I'm from 3MSU, and today I will present about cohesion and coherence. Okay, what is a cohesion? Cohesion is the logical linking of parts and sentences of any writing. It is like the glue that holds the paragraph together and writing. With Aiden answers, all parts are connected to each other in an integrated way. Cohesion helps in making sensible meaning out of the text. Now, let's talk about some cohesive devices that help us to create classic text. Some of them are pronouns, lexical sign points, repeating keywords, anaphoric nouns, and so on. Alright, pronouns let the writer avoid repetition and make writing fluid and clear to the readers, and the example they refers to the researchers and eliminates the chance of repetitions, and necessary repetition of some words make the writing confusing and present. Next, lexical signposts. Word to make special connection in the text. For example, words and phrases that are used to make lists, or words that are used to give examples, and some words can be used to generalize, or to show result of consequence. So these words or these lexical items work best to connect the text in the paragraph or any piece of writing. Repeating keywords. Repeating keywords is another way to create cohesion in the text. That it doesn't mean to repeat the same words again and again. It simply refers to the impetus of the text, and using the keywords of the idea will improve the understanding of the text in the given example. The keywords is the repetition of the word. The word has given an ease to the readers to understand it in easy way. Anaphoric nouns also help in maintaining cohesion, and breaking anaphoric nouns are those nouns which occur in place of words or phrases or even sentence. They also have to connect various parts of the paragraph in an explicit manner. For example, report of original work become too full of jargon to be understood even by trained scientists who are not working in the particular field. This situation persists today. The anaphoric form, this situation refers to the whole sentence. It makes the writing more precise and comprehensible. Next, coherence is how clear and logical the ideas are in writing. If any writing looks coherent, then it is difficult to understand. It is the connection of ideas at idea level. It is concerned with the overall effect of the right. Coherence in writing is the logical bridge between word sentences and paragraph. Over in writing, user device to connect ideas within each sentence and paragraph. Main ideas and meaning can be difficult for the reader to follow if the writing lacks coherence. Some techniques for creating coherence take first coherence, but in words coherence can be created by parallel structure. Parallelism is particularly important for words in list. If you're writing a list of things someone likes to do, then each activity in this list should take the same grammatical form. Second, Coherence between sentences. Coherence can be created between sentences through repetition and transitional device. Repetition of words across sentences help to reiterate the some ideas between sentences. One way to use repetition to create coherence is to repeat the same words threads at the end of one sentence and the beginning of the next sentence to show how the ideas can connect. Another way to create coherence within sentences is through transitional device. Transitional words such as first, like, later, and then are few examples for transitional device that show time to help ideas flow more smoothly. Third, coherence between paragraphs. Coherence between paragraphs where it is therefore, however, ever at to far later than it is cannot only be used within sentence but between paragraphs to connect them. The structure of a coherence paragraph has mainly three parts: a topic sentence, supporting sentence, in a concluding sentence, the transitional words, then bridge the gap between paragraphs. The structure start anew with now the topic sentence for the next paragraph. Fourth, consistent point of view. Point of view is the narrative position in telling the story or any writing. Consistent point of view is a way to create coherence within paragraphs. It gives an informed look to the text and has clarity in its overall meaning. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.